Welcome to Review Lab. The best Dodge Caliber is probably one of the most versatile and surprisingly spacious compact cars to hit the market, offering a unique blend of SUV-like practicality with a car's maneuverability, making it an intriguing option for those seeking a vehicle that can handle both daily commutes and weekend adventures without breaking the bank. Number 5. MAXLINER 2-row floor liner set for Dodge Caliber. Introducing the MAXLINER 2-row liner set, designed specifically for your 2008 to 2012 Dodge Caliber. Protect your vehicle's interior with unparalleled quality. These floor liners provide complete all-weather protection. They are stain-resistant and defend against snow, mud, sand, and salt water. Experience a perfect fit thanks to our custom design and raised lip, created with advanced vehicle scanning technology. It ensures your carpet is shielded from all elements. Cleaning is a breeze, simply hose them off or spot clean with soap and water. Their textured, skid-resistant design also enhances your car's interior appearance. Our mats are made from a 100% recyclable blend, ensuring they are completely odorless. Enjoy eco-friendly protection for your vehicle. What we like. Protect your interior from the elements with these durable floor liners. They offer complete coverage and are easy to maintain. If you frequently encounter mud, snow, or spills, and want to keep your car's carpet pristine, these are an excellent choice for hassle-free upkeep. What people say. The Dodge Caliber has a surprisingly spacious interior for its class, offering ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The cargo space in the Dodge Caliber is quite versatile, with a split-folding rear seat that allows for easy expansion of the storage area. The available all-wheel drive system on the Dodge Caliber provides enhanced traction and stability, especially in adverse weather conditions. Number 4. CF10729 Activated Carbon Cabin Air Filter. Introducing the CF10729 Cabin Air Filter, designed to keep your car's interior fresh and clean. It effectively prevents airborne contaminants from entering your vehicle's air conditioning system. This filter features activated carbon to quickly absorb harmful gases and unpleasant odors. Enjoy a healthier and more pleasant driving environment with superior air quality. Designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, including Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep models. Please check the compatibility list to ensure it's the perfect fit for your car. By ensuring clean air intake, it also helps improve the airflow and efficiency of your car's heating and cooling system. Experience better climate control year-round. Replacing your cabin air filter is simple and recommended every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Keep your air fresh and your system running smoothly with this essential maintenance item. This filter is built to meet or exceed original equipment specifications, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It's a direct replacement for part numbers like 5058693AA. What we like. Breathe easier with this activated carbon cabin air filter. It effectively removes airborne contaminants and unpleasant odors, ensuring a healthier and more pleasant driving environment. If you or your passengers suffer from allergies or are sensitive to smells, this filter will significantly improve your cabin air quality. What people say. The Dodge Caliber offers a spacious interior with ample legroom and headroom, making it comfortable for both front and rear passengers. Its cargo space is surprisingly generous, with a large trunk and fold-flat rear seats that provide flexibility for hauling various items. The vehicle's exterior design is distinctive and modern, with sharp lines and a bold grille that give it a unique road presence. Number 3. ASTARPRO 8 PCS Suspension Kit for Jeep Compass Patriot and Dodge Caliber. Upgrade your vehicle's front suspension with this comprehensive 8-piece kit from ASTARPRO. It includes everything needed for a full front-end rebuild. This kit is engineered for a perfect fit on 2007 to 2017 Jeep Compass and Patriot models, as well as 2007 to 2012 Dodge Caliber. It's a direct replacement for your original parts. Experience a smoother, safer ride with parts designed for maximum durability. The greasable sockets and optimized bushings ensure long-lasting performance and quiet operation. Save time and effort with this easy-to-install kit. Precision tolerances and included hardware make the replacement process faster and more convenient. Restore your vehicle's optimal handling and control with this high-quality suspension rebuild kit. It's built to withstand the demands of daily driving. Invest in reliable performance and peace of mind. This kit provides the quality and durability your vehicle deserves for years to come. What we like. Restore your vehicle's handling and ride quality with this comprehensive front suspension kit. Featuring greasable ball joints and durable components, it's built for longevity and smooth operation. If you're experiencing worn suspension parts, uneven tire wear, or a less than stable ride, this kit offers a robust solution for a safer drive. What people say. The Dodge Caliber offers a spacious interior with ample legroom and headroom, making it comfortable for both front and rear passengers. Its versatile cargo space, with fold-flat rear seats and a large trunk, provides excellent utility for hauling groceries, luggage, or sports equipment. The available all-wheel drive system enhances traction and stability, particularly in adverse weather conditions, offering a more confident driving experience. Number 2. Master Power Window Switch for Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep. Is your driver's side window switch malfunctioning? This direct replacement restores full control over all your power windows from the driver's seat. Designed to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle's wiring, it's a direct OEM replacement. Installation is quick and requires no special tools or modifications. Crafted from high-quality materials, this switch is built to withstand daily use and resist wear, UV exposure, and temperature extremes. This master switch is compatible with a range of Dodge, Chrysler, and Jeep models. Please verify your vehicle and original switch details before purchase. Don't let a faulty switch inconvenience you. Regain the ability to operate all 4 windows and the lock function with confidence. Your purchase includes the master window switch and is backed by a 24-month warranty for your complete peace of mind. What we like. Regain complete command over your power windows with this direct replacement master switch. It's built to last and designed for a simple, plug-and-play installation. If your current switch is unresponsive, or you can't control all windows from the driver's side, this is the perfect solution for restoring convenience and functionality. What people say. The Dodge Caliber has a spacious interior with comfortable seating, making it a practical choice for families or those who need ample cargo space. Its unique hatchback design offers versatility, allowing for easy loading of groceries, luggage, or sports equipment. The available all-wheel drive system provides enhanced traction and stability, particularly in adverse weather conditions. Number 1. Autosaver 88 Complete Struts and Shocks Assembly. Upgrade your ride with our complete front struts and rear shocks assembly. Designed for select Dodge models, it's the perfect solution for a smoother drive. This assembly is precisely engineered for your 2007 to 2012 Dodge Caliber, 2007 to 2014 Compass, and 2007 to 2014 Patriot. Ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. Enjoy a hassle-free installation process. Our design features buckle holes that align with your vehicle's existing ones, making replacement simple and quick. Receive a complete package including struts, coil springs, mounts, boots, and more. Every component is built to meet stringent performance requirements for durability. Is your vehicle making strange noises, dipping under load, or difficult to control? These are signs it's time for a replacement to restore stability and handling. Don't compromise on safety and comfort. Replace your worn-out parts with our reliable assembly to bring back your vehicle's optimal performance and stability. What we like. Upgrade your ride's comfort and handling with this all-in-one strut and shock assembly. It comes pre-assembled for straightforward installation, ensuring your vehicle performs like new. If you're noticing abnormal sounds, poor stability, or a bumpy ride, this complete kit is designed to bring back a smooth and controlled driving experience. What people say. The Dodge Caliber has a surprisingly spacious interior, especially for its class, offering comfortable seating for passengers and ample cargo room. The car features a unique and stylish exterior design that stands out from other vehicles in its segment, with a bold grille and sculpted body lines. The available all-wheel drive system provides enhanced traction and stability, making it a capable option for various weather conditions and road surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.